1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Let's open these! Let's open these! Let's open it! Let's have some fun! We have fashion fear and we're gonna have a big Matchbox Playset. Let's do A-L-B-E-R-T. Albert.
Let's go.
There! Hey! Ah!
1. 2. Where else we can find, Albert?
Okay, let's find out.
3. Where is it, Albert?
Here.
4. There is one Hot Wheel to go.
On the playground! There! Right there! Right there!
5. Now for the Matchbox Playset. Where is it, Albert? Oh, God. Wow! Matchbox Playset! 6!
I like this playset! Yeah! It's a Bronco. It's a Bronco.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Wow.
Okay. Very good for me. Ow. Awesome. Wow! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. Let's open that in unboxing. Let's do it. Ha! You got black stripes. BMW. does F9? F9.
Yeah, F9.
F9 is a pretty race car. After we run to the open gate. Colors. Blue, orange and black, blue, white, or white and blue. Look at the wheels, they're black.
That's right, they're black. Look at this one, Albert.
Green.
Look at the wheels on this one.
Green.
That's right, they're green.
And that one is shiny.
It's shiny, they're shiny wheels.
Okay, open this. There's too many here. Ha! 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 Let's open these! Let's open these! Let's open it!
Come on, you can do it.
I don't know.
You can do it.
I don't know.
Of course you can, you're strong. Come on, you can do it. What happened?
I don't know.
You cannot?
Yeah.
Okay, last try. Come on, you can do it.
I don't know. I don't know, Giulia.
You want me to open it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's open it.
Let's open it. And we're done. There you are.
Easy. Oh no, we gotta go here. There's too many cars here. Yeah, we need to move. Ah! Yeah, yeah. These can go.
And then this car is gonna go this way.
Okay, and how about the white one? Oh no! Hey! All aboard! They're eating tacos. The car is eating tacos for pizza and mac and cheese.
Oh!
Look at him. They're eating the bus. And they have snacks and goat. And look at how goat is tacos and mac and cheese. Oh no, the door!
There you go.
Back in the land.
Thank you.
Bye. Don't forget to subscribe.